Hi everybody. Today a little different video because I want to show the modification that I made to my 3D printer to transform it to a machine that can solder the true holes component into PCB. Here you can see I made quite a lot of modifications to this 3D printer to accommodate the iron soldering, and then I moved the extruder. Here we have the tip with the wire. And I also modified the bed. I added another bed on top of this, and you can see I put some 3D printed part to hold it in place in a strong way so it will not move. And then it is very easy to remove, so I can add other template. These two are two templates, and are used to put in place the components and the board. Like for example in this way, you can put the components. Just a thing. Okay. And as you can see, the board can go over here. It's quite sorry guys, one end is difficult. Here we are. And in this way you can see the board and the components are fixed on the bed, and the 3D printer can work on it. I made this board in quite small quantities. That's why I got the idea to use a more automated process to build it. These boards are used for irrigation and environment control for farmers. I was inspired to make this by a guy. I would say he's a very brilliant guy. He's a YouTuber. I put the link in the video description. When I started this project, the major concern was to get a reliable soldering. And indeed I made several attempts, several optimizations. And I have to say that now I get quite good results on the reliability point of view. This is the board I just made. You can see all the two holes are soldered. Now I will show you how this machine made exactly this piece, so you would see the whole process. And depending on the interest on this video, I can make further videos to explain the details of each piece and also the software I use to program the 3D printer. Okay. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.